In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of how to guide. By making your account private, you can prevent other people from viewing your posts or tweets, and you'll need to approve other people from following you. So if you also want that to happen, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's head over to Twitter and then head over to your profile section, which is on the top left. From this section, you can see an option called Setting and Support on the bottom. And again, head over to Settings and Privacy. From the settings of your Twitter, you'll see an option called Privacy and Safety. Inside of this, tap on Audience and Tagging. Now this is a section that you'll need to turn on, or this option, which is Protect Your Tweets. It says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So you can just toggle this on. And the second thing that you can also do, even though your Twitter is private, other people will still be able to tag you in posts. Turn that off as well. You can tap on photo tagging and you can make sure that it is off as well. This way no one can tag you in their posts. Now once you do that, and if you head back to your profile and refresh your profile, you can see this lock icon appears, which means your Twitter account is now private. So that is the way that you can make your account of Twitter private. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.